What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to have a look at the DJI RS3 mini gimbal. So I'm going to do a bit of unboxing and a bit of collaboration. So if you're a first time user of the DJI running gimbal, I'm going to show you guys basically in this video how you can collaborate it and get you up and running. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys what comes inside and all those things, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so in the package, as you can see, these are items which come inside. We have the gimbal right here, we have the USB cable for charging, we have the connection which is going to connect to your camera, so we have the tripod stand, and we have the plate right here which is going to lock onto your camera. So these are all the things that come inside. So what you can do with this gimbal right here, you can put on these feet. As you can see, this is the tripod feet which is going to keep it sturdy and up. So we can install this part right here onto the bottom right here. Now this is gonna keep it level on the ground. To the side right here we have the power button, so we have the charging button right here, and this right here we have some more function such as the joystick, the record button, the mode button right here. So in this we have 3 different modes which I'm going to go to later on in this video. Right here we have a trigger which is going to go in lock mode, and this right here is the wheel, scroll wheel. Now we can set this to anything that you want to set it to, like your aperture and those things. Right here we have you can install a plate right here like an angle or any other accessories. So we have a mounting part right here, and this is how the gimbal basically look. Now guys, when you mount up this right here, you're gonna put the screw from inside right here, just like so. Now ensure that this part right here lock onto the camera, so you can see right here. Now when you're mounting the camera onto the gimbal, you want to ensure that these are locked. So you can see these little lock thing right here. You want to lock them so that the gimbal doesn't go all over the place. And also we want to lock these little lock as well. So I'm going to lock these. I'm going to lock the 3 axes so that it doesn't move when I'm putting the gimbal onto it. Now please ensure that you have all your accessories and the camera before you mount it. So I'm going to mount it. Then we're going to lock it. And we can lock this as well, so this can basically slide from side to side. Now before you do that, ensure that the camera is as close as possible to the side right here, and then we can slide it down until it buck right there. In order for us to calibrate our gimbal, we have to unlock all 3 axes, but not at once. So if you're going to calibrate this axis right here, we want to open this axis right up here. So I'm going to calibrate this one first. So ensure that you hold your camera. I don't want it basically to flip around. Now we want to calibrate this axis right here. So we're going to turn the camera up, and we are going to put it to where you're not seeing any movements. As you can see right there, the camera is a bit to this side right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to adjust this one right here. So we're going to open this, and we're going to move it forward until it gets steady. So you can see it lean to the side. We're going to drag back this to this side until there's no more movements. Push it back up to this side. It's steady on this right here. Now we're going to lock back our axis. Now what you're going to do now is we're going to move it to this side right here, and we're going to adjust this layer as well. So we're going to release this part right here. Need to go down. So we're going to release this part, and we're going to slide it until it balances. It's steady right there. Then we're going to lock back our axis now. Now we are going to lock this axis right here. Now we are going to adjust the other axis as well. So please ensure that you hold your camera. You don't want it to flip, as you can see. So we're going to adjust this lever right here. As you can see, it well balanced. Lock back this axis right here. Then we're going to lock this axis as well. Then now we're going to move now to the side, which is this axis right here. And we're going to lean our gimbal to the side. As you can see, when I lean it to the side, it turns down. Now what you want to adjust is this right here. So you're going to push it until there's no movement, as you can see right there. If you want it to get level, now this gimbal right here is level to the side. Push it down a bit more, well balanced. Now we're going to lock back our lever now. Ensure that you hold on to this firmly. You don't want to shift it. Then we lock our lever right here. I'm going to test again. If there's no shift, if there's any shift, right here. As you can see guys, it's basically locked right now. So I'm gonna lock this as well. Then you can see that gimbal is now balanced. Now to ensure that this is well balanced, we're gonna unlock all 3 axes now. Unlock this one right here. You can see. Unlock this one up here. You can see it basically. And I'm going to unlock this one as well. Now whenever you unlock all axes, ensure that you unlock all axes before we turn on the gimbal, because you don't want to put any unnecessary strain on each of axes when you turn on the gimbal. As you can see, this gimbal is well balanced because you can put it into any position and it basically remains right there. So you can see right here, if I put it to down, it remains that way. Put it up right there, it remains. So anywhere that you put the gimbal, it will actually stays once it balanced. And what you're going to do now, you can turn on your gimbal and then you can calibrate it right here. So I'm going to turn it on right now by pressing this button right here on the side. And this right here, you can see there's a green icon which shows that your gimbal is basically calibrated. But if you're first time using, you might want to download the running app. I'm going to show you guys a screenshot of that. Once you download the running app, you're going to go onto the Play Store to download it, and you're going to activate your gimbal with your account. So if you're first time using it, you might want to sign up with the DJI, or if you have an account already, you can sign in. Now once you get that out of the way, you can go right here and start your calibration. Please ensure that you calibrate the gimbal first before we start to use it. So it's calibrating right now, doing some amount of vibration. And there you go guys, the calibration is completed. And as you can see guys, we have all of these features right here. So this is a joystick which is gonna turn up and down. You can see the movements right there. You can turn this to the side, as you can see. So we have the trigger which put it into lock mode. So if you're on a subject, you can press it right here and the gimbal will not move. Let me put it to the side so you guys can have an idea of what I'm talking about. So if I lock onto a subject right there, you can see the gimbal will not move. It basically lock because I use a trigger right here. Now we have all different features of this. You guys can go through to see most of the features of this gimbal right here. You can change your speed, like medium, fast, or you want your joystick to move. And right here, this can control like your shutter speed. You can customize that into settings. And also you can use this to record. So depends on the camera you're using. If your camera have a Bluetooth connection, you can connect it right here. So if you're using like you want to record a footage with your camera, with this you can connect it to the Bluetooth. Now with the Sony ZV-E one, you can connect it because you have a Bluetooth settings. You have the mode right here. So you can customize your mode depending on your settings. So if you want a fast mode, a slow pace, or a medium, you can customize that in the setting. And this is how we basically collaborate. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. If it's the first time here, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, because I do reviews and more type of product on this channel. So see you guys in my next one. Peace out.